This is the elevator here at Menards in Sturtevant, Wisconsin. To Schumacher with PTL/ECC buttons. This is a brand new 2020 Schumacher elevator. This elevator is identical to the one in Franklin, Oak Creek, and Milwaukee. Let's go to 2. So I got the indicator. Here we are at 2. That was a rough stop. Whoa. Let's go back down to 1. Door goes but works. I like that. There's your lantern. Watch it go out. We'll get a cab view now. Whoa. This thing's shaking. Very nice elevator. For a brand new Menards elevator, this thing is not that bad at all. Schumacher did a great job on this thing, even though it's cheap, LOL. Alright, we'll go on a ride. We're gonna do a Fisher cam this time. Dang. Rough stop. Let's go and ring the bell. There you go. Now we'll head back down. Stand elevated back here. And yes, actually, according to this article on a website actually on ECC Fixtures, these fixtures are actually ECC. But what I'm thinking is that PTL shared the buttons, their VR2 buttons with ECC. Oh, don't shut the door. So that's why they look like PTL, but those are actually ECC. GAL interlock. Ring the bell. Looks like I'm the first person to film this elevator, so this will be up on YouTube. Anyways, there goes the elevator. And this place didn't have an elevator yet, so this elevator is actually brand new in 2020. But with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video about this brand new elevator project here. Please make sure to go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys have a good day. And that's it. Bye.